Hello guys, Best Review for You team is back again with another review on Graphic Creation Workshop. Firstly, we will look at the introduction, then issues faced by the creators, what do we cover inside the course workshop, and the exclusive bonus that I am going to offer you. Attention self-publishers, artists and designers. Learn how to turn your drawings into digital graphics that you can use in your self-publishing books or sell for extra income. Save yourself in publishing business with no copyright issues ever. Dear friend, let me ask you a question. Would you like to create your own graphics from your own art or drawings? Graphics you can use in your low-content books publishing business. Graphics you can sell to make a little extra cash. It's only getting harder and harder to find good graphics for coloring books at reasonable prices. Designs and costs are going up. Monthly subscriptions on a few of the graphic sites are getting more and more expensive each year. The thing is, if these costs keep getting higher and higher, how are you going to still turn a profit on any of the books you create? Simple answer, you won't. Here's another situation that I keep seeing: account banned for copyright. Have you seen it too? Lots of accounts being banned for using graphics that had copyrights on them. Not sure about you, but can you imagine the heartache? Let's say you're doing well on KDP and one image graphic you used had copyrights on it. Guess what happens? They shut you down, and let's say you were earning a nice $1,000, $1,500 or more a month. Gone, gone, gone. Your earnings disappeared overnight because of this one graphic you used with copyrights on it. I wouldn't want anyone to go through this, let alone myself. Would you really want to take the risk here? Even if you are just starting out and only making a couple $100 each month, this is a lot of money to some of you out there. Why would you risk losing it all? Do the right thing and always check your copyrights on all images you use. Keep yourself and business intact. If you are creating your own graphics, you own them, so no copyright issues ever. Have you ever wanted a real way to create your own products you can sell? This could be the way for you to go. Introducing Graphics Creation Workshop. Graphics Creation Workshop. What do we cover inside the course workshop? The Graphics Creation Workshop is a short course of just 7 videos. Here you will learn how to take your drawings and turn them into a digital graphics. From line art tracing to coloring them in with Photoshop. You'll also learn the right way to saving files in the right formats. These you can then use for yourself and within your own books. You'll also be able to sell them as graphics packs if you choose. The video parts we cover are as follows. Setting your page size. You'll need the right page size here, so you can set the graphics to the correct size needed. Uploading your drawings and setting layers. This may be simple to some, however a lot of you have trouble with the techie parts, so we cover it here for you. Line art tracing. This is the main video on creating your drawings, not a real line art digital graphics. Saving file formats. Saving your graphics to the correct file type can be confusing to a lot of people. We cover it in this video with saving PNG, transparent PNG and SVG files. Coloring your graphics with Photoshop. We cover the coloring here with Photoshop, so you will need it. In this video we covers how to color and shade your graphics to bring them alive. Bonus 1: Designing interior pages. This is a little extra video on how to use your graphics and design an interior page. Bonus 2: Covers and keywords. Here we cover a video on creating a cover for you. We also cover how we are doing keyword research, along with adding that keyword onto the cover we create in this video. Bonus 3: 9 page types. In this video, I show 9 different interior page types you can create for your books and publishing. Continue in part 2. Lastly, these are the bonuses that I have to offer you. These are worth more than $4,000 that I am giving you for free. The only condition is that you have to purchase the product through the link given below in the description, and after the purchase send an email with a screenshot of your purchase on our email, which you will find in description below. Have look at the bonuses. These are not 1 or 2 bonuses or 3 simple bonus, but in total I am offering you 21 bonuses. This definitely will help you if you are a content creator or an affiliate marketer, or even if you run a digital marketing agency. So here is the review from the Best Review For You team. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description below.